morning to all students. Now, today we are studying about the chapter 12th of standard 12th chemistry, that is aldehyde, ketones and carboxylic acid. In this video, we are studying about the introduction and classification of aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids. Now, the marks to this chapter without option, that is compulsory marks, is 6 marks and with option is 8 marks. That means it is the highest marks of the chapter in part 2. So you have to study it carefully. Now in this video we are studied about the introduction of aldehyde, ketones and carboxylic acid and also their classification. That means the aldehydes are classified into two types, that is aliphatic, aromatic. Same ketones are classified into aliphatic and aromatic, and also the carboxylic acid, that is aliphatic carboxylic acid and aromatic carboxylic acid. Now first of all we see what is meant by aldehyde, ketones or carboxylic acid, or why all these are placed into the same group. Now the reason behind that, all the aldehyde, ketones and carboxylic acid are the members of the family, that is carbonyl group. Now this is the structure of carbonyl group, that means the organic compound which containing the carbon oxygen double bond known as the carbonyl group. Here we see that this is the carbon oxygen double bond, and the in carbonyl group carbon is known as the carbonyl carbon and oxygen is known as the carbonyl oxygen, and this carbonyl group is common in aldehyde, ketones and carboxylic acid. So all these are placed into the same chapter, that is aldehyde, ketones and carboxylic acid. All this contains the carbonyl group. Both the aldehydes and ketone, it contain the carbon oxygen double bond as their functional group. Therefore they are known as the carbonyl compound. As we study about this carbonyl group, it contains the carbon oxygen double bond, and the only difference in aldehyde and ketone, as we study about, both contains the same carbonyl group. The only difference is that in aldehyde carbon is directly attached to hydrogen, and in ketone carbon is directly attached to the R. That means R may be alkyl group or aryl group, but there is no presence of hydrogen. In aldehydes, the carbonyl carbon, that is C double bond O, in this the carbon is bonded to at least one hydrogen atom. This is the one hydrogen atom apart from the alkyl or aryl group. That means it is said that in aldehyde there is compulsory presence of carbonyl group in which there is attached of hydrogen atom. Now there is a note down one point, that sometimes this R is replaced by hydrogen also. For example, formaldehyde, in which there is no presence of R group, that is alkyl or aryl groups, there is direct presence of hydrogen, but there is compulsory presence of H group. The functional group of aldehyde, therefore it is the CHO, that means it compulsory present the carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. It is known as the formyl group or aldehydic carbonyl group. This is the functional group of an aldehyde, that is CHO. Now we see about the ketonic group. In ketones, the carbonyl carbon, this is the carbonyl group, this is the carbonyl carbon which is bonded to the two alkyl groups or two aryl groups. Now these alkyl or aryl groups, they may be either identical, that means they are same, or different. They are known as the ketonic carbonyl group. Now this is the functional group of the ketone. Now next is the carboxylic acid. The functional group of carboxylic acid is RCOOH, that is COOH. This is the COOH. This is the carboxyl group. Due to the OH, this is the OH, this group is bonded to the carbonyl group, that is CO group. Therefore, the carboxylic acid is distinct from the aldehyde and ketones. Now, first of all, we see what are the similarity between the aldehyde, ketones and carboxylic acid. As we see in this diagram, all these three contains the carbonyl carbon, that is carbonyl group C double bond O, and the difference is that in aldehyde, carbonyl carbon is directly attached to hydrogen. In ketone, the carbonyl carbon is attached to the either alkyl group or aryl group, but in case of carboxylic acid, it is attached to the hydroxyl group, that is OH. Now next is the classification of aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid. The aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid are classified as per the nature of carbon skeleton bonded to carbonyl group, that is C double bond O. Now it is found that in case of classification of aldehydes, the aldehydes are classified into the mainly two types, that is aliphatic aldehydes and aromatic aldehydes. Now first of all we see about the aliphatic aldehydes, the compounds in which the CHO group. Now this is the CHO group which is found in the aldehyde. This group is also known as the formyl group. Now when this formyl group is attached directly to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom, that is nothing but it is the saturated carbon atom, then it is known as the aliphatic aldehydes. Now the aliphatic aldehydes, the formyl group, this is the CHO, this is the formyl group, is directly attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom, which is nothing but the saturated carbon atoms, then it is known as the aliphatic aldehydes. But in some cases it is found that this formyl group, that is CHO, is not directly attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom, but it can be attached to the simple H, that is then it is known as the formaldehyde. And as it is not directly attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom, still it can be classified as an aliphatic aldehydes, and it is the one of the example is HC double bond OH, that is formaldehyde. Now this is the general formula for the aldehyde, that is RCOH, and the example of aliphatic aldehydes is CH3CHO. Here this is the CHO, that is formyl group is common and R is replaced by CH3, so the name is acetaldehyde, and in this case the formyl group is attached to the CH3CH2 and the name is propanaldehyde. Now next is second one is the aromatic aldehydes. The compounds in which CHO group, that is formyl group, is attached directly to an aromatic ring, then it is known as the aromatic aldehyde. That means this CHO formyl group is directly attached to the aromatic ring. Here CHO group is directly attached to the benzene ring, so the name is benzaldehyde, that is aromatic aldehyde. Here it is also found that the formyl group, that is CHO group, is directly attached to the aromatic ring. There is also presence of the hydroxyl group, so the name is salicylaldehyde. And in next is the CHO, that is functional group of aldehyde. Formyl group is directly attached to the aromatic ring, and there is presence of the nitro group at the para position, so it is also known as the para-nitrobenzaldehyde. Now the question asked is classify the following as aliphatic and aromatic aldehydes. Now in the first example it is found that this is the CHO group, that is formyl group, is directly attached to this sp3 hybridized carbon atom, means it is the saturated carbon atom, so it can be classified as an aliphatic saturated aldehyde. Now in the second group, the CHO group is directly attached to this carbon atom. Now it is attached to aliphatic carbon, but it is not sp3, it is the sp2 hybridized, means it is one of the example of the aliphatic unsaturated aldehyde. Now in the next is CHO group is attached to the ring, but it is not the aromatic ring, it is the cyclic compound attached to the aldehyde group, so it is also the example of the aliphatic sp3 saturated aldehyde. But in last compounds, that is this is the CHO, that is formyl group, is directly attached to the aromatic ring. There is also presence of another CH3 group, so it is one of the example of the aromatic aldehydes. Now next is the classification of the ketones. The ketones are classified into the two types mainly, that is aliphatic ketones and aromatic ketones. First of all, we see about the what is meant by aliphatic ketones. The compounds in which the carbonyl group, that is C double bond O group, is attached to the two alkyl groups are called as an aliphatic ketones. As we already know, the general formula for ketone is RC double bond OR. Here the carbon is attached to the two alkyl group, so they are nothing but the aliphatic ketone. But on the basis of types of alkyl groups bonded to the carbonyl carbon, the aliphatic ketones are further classified as the simple and mixed ketone. That means either these are the symmetrical ketones or unsymmetrical ketones. Now first of all, we study about the simple ketones or the symmetrical ketones. The ketones in which both the alkyl groups, that is this is nothing but the RR, they are bonded to the carbonyl carbon are identical, that means they are same, then they are known as the simple ketones or the symmetrical ketones. For example, here we see that this is the carbonyl carbon in which two alkyl groups there is present, and both these alkyl groups are replaced by CH3 that is methyl group. So the name is dimethyl ketone or acetone. The another example is here the carbonyl group in which there is presence of the two same alkyl group, that is ethyl group. So the name is diethyl ketone. As we study in this, that there is presence of the two same alkyl group, so the name is simple ketone or the symmetrical ketone. Now we are studied about what is meant by the mixed ketone or unsymmetrical ketones. The ketones in which two alkyl group, these are the two alkyl groups which are bonded to the carbonyl carbon are different, and that means they are not identical, then they are known as the mixed ketone or unsymmetrical ketones. Now here, as we studied that these are the one group is methyl, that is CH3, another group is the ethyl group, and both these groups are the different, and as these are both the groups are different, they are known as the mixed ketone. The name is ethyl methyl ketone. Now here also found that the carbonyl carbon is attached to the two different alkyl group. One is ethyl, another is the propyl. So it is also one of the example of the mixed or unsymmetrical ketones. Now next one is the aromatic ketones. The compounds in which the carbonyl group, that is C double bond O group, is attached to either two group. These are the carbonyl group which is attached to the two aryl group. Now so the name is diphenyl ketone or benzophenone, or one aryl and one alkyl group are called as the aromatic ketone. Now here studied that this carbonyl group in which there is presence of one alkyl group, that is this is the methyl group, and one aryl group, that is the phenyl group. So the name is methyl phenyl ketone or acetophenone. In short, when the in aromatic ketone the carbonyl group is directly attached to the either two aryl group, or at least there is presence of the one aryl group and another is alkyl group, then it is known as the aromatic ketones. Now next is the classification of carboxylic acid. The carboxylic acid are classified as the aliphatic and aromatic carboxylic acid. Now let us study about the first aliphatic carboxylic acid. The organic compounds in which carboxylic, that is COOH group, is bonded to an alkyl group, then it is known as the aliphatic carboxylic acid. This aliphatic carboxylic acid, it is also known as the fatty acids. The exception is the formic acid, in which the carboxyl group is directly attached to the H and not the alkyl group. So it is also known as the formic acid, and it is classified as the aliphatic carboxylic acid, though the COOH group is not attached to any carbon atom. Now, depending on the number of COOH groups the present in the carboxylic acid, they are classified as the mono di tricarboxylic acid, so and so on. That means when there is presence of the single carboxylic group, then it is known as the monocarboxylic acid. When it contains the two carboxylic group, then known as the dicarboxylic group. When there is presence of the three carboxylic group, then it is known as the tricarboxylic acid. Now, in this first example, that is in the propionic acid, there is presence of the single carboxylic group. So it is known as the monocarboxylic acid. Now, the second example is the oxalic acid. In this, there is presence of the two carboxylic group, that is COOH. So it is known as the oxalic acid. Now, in the third, there is presence of the 3 carboxylic acid, that is COOH group. So this is the tricarboxylic acid, that is citric acid. Now second one is the aromatic carboxylic acid. These are the compounds in which one or more carboxyl group, that is COOH group, are attached directly to the aromatic ring. For example, in this carboxylic group, that is COOH, is directly attached to the aromatic ring, that is benzoic acid. Now here there is presence of the 2 carboxylic acid which is attached directly to the aromatic compound, that is known as the phthalic acid. And next is the acetyl salicylic acid, in which also carboxylic group is attached to the aryl group. Now the carboxylic acid are widely distributed in the nature. They are found in both plants and animal. In our daily life, we have found the carboxylic acid present in various things, like L-lactic acid is present in the curd. That means when milk is converted into the curd by using lactobacilli, there is the formation of lactic acid. Another example is the citric acid, which is found in the citrus fruit like lemons and oranges. Then tamarind, there is found the tartaric acid. The acetic acid, it is the key ingredients of the vinegar. Now, in this way, we have studied about the aldehyde ketones and carboxylic acid, in which it contains the carbonyl group. Then what is the similarity between them? There is all contains the carbonyl, that is C double bond O group, and the difference what is it is also we have to be studied. Then we have studied about their classification, that is when carbonyl group is attached to the directly alkyl group, means they are classified as an aliphatic compounds, and when there is presence of either one or two aryl group, then they are classified as the aromatic groups. Now in this way we have studied the classification of the aldehyde ketones and carboxylic acid. I hope all of you it understand very well. Thank you.